Hello everyone and welcome to this video. I will show with you step by step how to log in VFS Global Account. So if you want to log in, follow me in this guide. Go to Google, search for VFS Global Login. This is the first website here. Click login. This is the first result here. You will see login page, just a way to open this page. This is for login page. In this case, all you have to do, just write your email and password. So all you have to do, write your email and password and then click login. So this is how you can do. If you forget password, click forget your password and then choose your email and click erase a password. So click erase the password. It is easy method you can do. This is the official website. Go to Google, search for this keyword, click login and then complete your login process, such your email and password. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and give share this video for more